Thank you, good Lord. Thank you, good Lord. I hope I got it. I hope I got it. Tagged out, baby. Tagged out, baby. Can't stop it. Can't stop it. Won't stop it, son. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He got some good spurs on him. He got some good spurs on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it. I hope I got it. I believe I did. Tagged out. Man. Feels good to do it like that too. Yeah, that was just textbook right there. Come look at the spurs on this turkey. He's got them. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know. He's got them. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. That's some hooks right there, cuz. But man, oh man, let me get this here. Let me get set up here. Man, look at them. It was close to 1.5 inches right there. Close to 1.5 inches. Man, I came in here. What time is it anyway? I hadn't been here long. 6:46. Come on, I ain't never killed a turkey that early. Never killed a turkey that early. He hadn't been off the roost 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. The bird's been hanging out in this field right here. And I ain't gonna lie, I cracked a shot at one the other day, but I think he was a little too far. I think it was this one. And I mean, they just started getting hot over here. Really. Past week or so. But anyways, I come in here this morning and hold on, let me adjust the camera a little bit. I can see it from over here. I come in here this morning and was gonna set up on that field. He got right here where I'm at, and he gobbled. Right there, he's right there. There's a little bitty plot right there. You'll see in the video. He gobbled right there in the edge of it. I was wanting to get up there, but I couldn't. Tried to stick a decoy out. Ground's too hard. It was getting light quick. Gave him a little soft yelp just one time. He didn't even respond. Just gave him a soft yelp, and he flew straight down out of the tree into the field. I was hoping he's gonna come up this lane to my left right here, and He'd be probably about 20 yards, but I lost him somewhere. It must be some high grass or a dip. He was coming through there strutting, and I lost him. And he was cutting across his field kind of fast. I thought he might have seen me or something when I was fooling with the camera trying to find him. And I seen about where he was gonna come out at, and if he got a little farther than that, he was gonna be about too far. And only thing I could do was set the camera up right there and wait for him to step out, and he'd come on out in there and laid it on him. Boy, I'm fired up. Look at that. Look at them spurs right there, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get you some. Get you some of them nasties right there, son. But it's the 9th. The 9th of April. Season goes this Wednesday. Season goes out next Tuesday. We cut it close. But hey, that don't matter. I thought I might have done messed these birds up when I shot at that one the other day, but man, the footage was so good. It was a little far, but I was like, I think I get him. And I could just see the shot pepper all around him. So, but hey, we tagged out. It's a pretty good sized bird. I ain't gonna lie. I had to take him on up there and let old Godfrey put a tape on him. But what a year. Tough year. Tough year. Birds hadn't been doing much around me. I go with other people and they'd be hammering. But they really hadn't been doing a whole lot where I'm at. Where I've been at, so. Thank the Lord we got it done. I didn't think I shot one opening day, and after that, I didn't think it was gonna be easy. I knew it wasn't gonna be easy, but dang it, I didn't ever think it'd be this tough. But tagged out. Don't Chase Baker ain't eating no tag sandwiches this year. So we had to get him up. See what he's looking like. He got some hooks on him. I ain't shot one with hooks on him like this in a while. But yes sir, tagged out, Georgia.